As a founder, you want to build with AI, but the barriers feel immense. Where do I start? How can I afford the cloud costs? How do I go from a prototype to a real app? And who can I ask for help? This is the Google for Startups Gemini Starter Kit. First, it simplifies access. Get your Gemini API key in seconds and start prototyping in AI Studio. Next, costs. As you scale, you can apply for the Google for Startups Cloud program, up to $350,000 in cloud credits to use for your API calls, and that was not a typo. Ready to build an app? Use Firebase to go full stack. Need to skill up your team? Use Google Cloud Skills Boost. Want inspiration? See some use cases from other startups. Need hands-on help? You can join a Gemini API sprint or a live deep dive session with one of our experts. So what is the Starter Kit? It's a complete ecosystem designed to remove every obstacle between you and your AI-powered startup. It's Google giving you the tools, the funding, the training, and the community support you need to build the future faster. Everything you need is on one page. Explore the Google for Startups Gemini Starter Kit today and start building. Link is in the description. We can't wait to see what you build.